Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print pyramid patterns with Python programming language. So this is very first video in this series. I'm going to print these increasing and decreasing star patterns or pyramid patterns with Python. Now let's go ahead and get started. This is Python 3 and it's going to be on my Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. I will be using my command prompt. You can use your preferred text editor or terminal or command prompt. So let's get started. So if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe and fire up your text editor. So I'm going to clear the screen and I will be using terminal based editor which is called Micro. It's available for every operating system and I'm going to name it pyramid.py. And so the very first function I'm going to create is basically to print increasing pattern. So I will say pyra. I'm going to call it pyra1 and it's going to take a value which is basically number of rows you want to print, and then I'm going to use for row in range of rows, and I want to print here the star with one space into the row, because the row is going to be increasing until the for loop reaches this given number. I'm going to save it, and now I simply go ahead and call this method. I'm going to give 10 number and save it, exit, and simply say Python pyramid, and it's going to print your increasing pattern. So it's that simple. Now we are going to do just opposite. Okay, so again I'm going to open the same file, and just to give a space kind of separator, I'm going to print empty line, something like that. Okay, and then I'm going to create another method. I'm going to call it a function pyra2, and it's going to take the same value, and I will be using for in and range inbuilt method to loop over the given number. So range is going to be rows again, and this time we're going to print for the decreasing value. So the decreasing value is going to be range minus, so rows minus row. So everything is going to be the same. So we still want to print the star, but we want to multiply it with rows minus row, because this is a static number and this is going to be increasing. So every time this row number is going to be increasing, and that's how you will get the decreasing value from, let's say, 10, 9, 8, something like that. So pyra2, and I'm going to give it 10. Alright, so I'm going to save it, saved, and I'm going to exit, and I'm simply going to call it Python, and it's a pyramid. So here we have our increasing and our decreasing star pattern or pyramid pattern. So that's all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to print same increasing pattern and decreasing pattern, but starting from this right side. This was from the left side, and in the last video, which will be third video, will be the actual pyramid starting from the beginning going through to the given number and then upside down. So somewhat like this, it will start like this and end somewhere in the center at the bottom. So that's it for this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Goodbye for now.